Tired of complicated and expensive money transfers? Let's get you set up with Taptap Send, the money transfer app that simplifies sending and receiving money. Before we dive in, you'll need a few things: your smartphone, either an Android or an iOS device, remember. A stable internet connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or mobile data. And, of course, a little space on your phone's storage for the app. Now, let's find the app. First, unlock your phone and open the App Store. Android users, that's the Google Play Store. And iPhone users, that's the App Store. Once you're in, tap the search bar, usually located at the top of the screen. Next, type Taptap Send into the search bar. Make sure you spell it correctly, with no spaces between the words. Hit search, and voila. The Taptap Send app should appear, usually the first result. Now, tap on the Taptap Send app icon. You'll be taken to the apps page, where you can see more details and read reviews. You are now ready to install. Tap the Install or Get button, depending on your device. Great! The app will now start downloading automatically. This process may take a few seconds or a minute, depending on your internet speed. Be patient while your app downloads and set up. Once the download is complete, you'll then see an Open button appear after a successful install. Tap Open, and the Taptap Send app will launch. You'll be prompted to create an account, or if you already have one, you will be prompted to sign in. Give the app access to your contacts and location. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Taptap Send app. Now, you can set up your account, add your payment information, and start sending and receiving money with ease. Enjoy the convenience of Taptap Send. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.